Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If it was good for you, then try to please subscribe. Keep updated with all my workouts. It'll help me out too. If you like the video, click it for me. I appreciate it. If you have any ideas or any kind of videos you want to see, just make a comment on the video and I'll try to make whatever it is that you want to help out. I'm always open to suggestions. I'll get back to you promptly as I can. Send me a message or just comment on one of my videos. I'll look over it and then we'll go from there. Also check out my website, flexformation.com. It has a lot of good information on there also. So just remember to subscribe and, like I said, to keep updated with everything new that I come out with. I'm updating every week, actually mostly every day. So remember my website, flexformation.com. Which, remember, flex formation is good information. Learning the right formation. The cause is transformation. Alright? Good way to help remember it. Thank you.